Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i using application. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, you need to scroll down, and right here at the left side we have Find. Click at this button, and now we can play sound for the left or right earbuds, or for both of them. The sound do not depend of the volume on your device, because as you can see right now, I mute the volume, I lower the volume. So just tap on it, click play. If you want to add right earbud, you can also tap on it, and it will play some sound. When you found your earbuds, you need to just click to stop, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. And you cannot use it when your earbuds inside the charging case and the case closed, because right now, as you can see, I put it to the charging case. And we already have the problem now. And I can play sound, but once I close the case, now this earbuds disconnected from my phone, and as you can see, nothing, I cannot use it. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!